So you might be in a situation where you can't go through and change your note color on Instagram. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Now, the very first reason why you're not able to change your note color on Instagram is because you have not updated your Instagram application. So number one, try going through and updating your Instagram app. So make your way over to your app store right here and tap on the search button that's at the bottom. Tap on the search bar up here and just type in Instagram. So just like this, type in Instagram, not Instacart, but Instagram. And what you're going to want to do here is you basically just want to go through and you want to update your Instagram application. And this is by far going to be the first thing you're going to want to do, and it will probably end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. So try updating the Instagram app, and this is probably going to be the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now after this, the next thing I'd recommend doing on top of this is to basically go through and to see if you can restart Instagram. So if you're in Instagram, all you're going to want to do is just hop out of it, give it a few seconds, go ahead and hop back into it, swipe to the side, and see if you're able to come back to your note panel up here, and then tap onto the note or the color portion over here, where you can hold it down and then change the color. And that's how you do it. You have to remember, hold down on the note like this, and then you'll be able to change the color that way. So those are basically the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, soul.